15 life lessons that change everything. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast. I'm Adam, and today I want to share something special with you, a conversation about life, growth, and the lessons that can truly change everything if you choose to listen, reflect, and act. I want you to do something for me before we begin. Stop whatever you're doing right now. Sit down, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself this simple question: am I really living, or am I just existing? It's a simple question, but the answer is life-changing. Everyone wants more: freedom, money, love, happiness, a life that feels worth living. They dream of traveling the world, owning the car they've always wanted, building a business, or having a relationship that makes their heart race. But here's the truth: dreams without action are nothing but whispers in the wind. What are you doing today to build that life? Right now, as you hear my voice, are you taking one small step toward your dreams? Or are you scrolling endlessly through social media, watching videos that don't serve you, making excuses for why you haven't started, still sleeping late, still afraid of failure, still hoping things will magically change? Listen to me carefully. Life is real, time is real, and your time is limited. You do not get a second life, a second chance, or a redo. This is it, right now, this moment. And if you want to change your life, if you want to speak better English, earn more money, become confident, unstoppable, successful, then don't just hear these words, feel them. Listen with your soul. Listen like your life depends on it, because it does. Time is your life. Every time you say, "I'll do it tomorrow," every time you spend another hour scrolling, hitting snooze, or making excuses, you are not wasting time. You are destroying pieces of your life, slowly, silently, irreversibly. Think about it. What did you do yesterday? The day before? What are you planning for tomorrow? If the answers are nothing, or the same as always, ask yourself this: how long will your dreams wait? Someday is a lie. The world doesn't care about your excuses. Only your results matter. Solution: value your hours like gold. Write a daily plan. Focus on one thing that will push your life forward. Cut even just 1 hour of distractions every day: social media, TV, meaningless scrolling, and invest it in learning, growing, building. Time will become your friend only if you respect it. Otherwise, it is your enemy. Your life is your responsibility. Not your parents, not your friends, not your boss, not your government. You, only you. Stop blaming, stop crying over what you didn't get, and start building from what you have. Think about Oprah Winfrey. Born in poverty, abused as a child, yet she became one of the most powerful people on earth. She didn't sit and blame. She built. Accept your story, but refuse to be a victim. Every problem has a solution if you're willing to find it and act, no matter how small the first step is. Your comfort zone is a trap. Every day, many of us wake up, scroll our phones, eat, watch videos, maybe study a little, and then sleep again. It feels easy, safe, comfortable. But guess what? That comfort is slowly killing your dreams. There is no growth in comfort. All success lives outside of it. Want to speak fluent English? Speak, even if you make mistakes. Want to start a business? Start, even if you fail 10 times. Be willing to feel uncomfortable. Let people laugh. Let them doubt. You keep moving. Like a seed breaking through soil, facing the sun and wind, you must break your own limits to grow into something powerful. I'll do it later. Those words are the biggest lie you tell yourself. They are the voice of laziness, fear, and your weaker self. Later almost always becomes never. The people who win in life are the ones who act now, even if they're scared, unready, or unsure. Want to learn English? Start now. Want to exercise? Start now. Want to build your dreams? Start now. Don't wait for next Monday, next year, or the perfect time. It doesn't exist. One action today is better than 100 perfect plans for later. Stop thinking. Start doing. Overthinking is a cage. Planning is fine, but overthinking kills your momentum. You imagine failure before even trying. You rehearse defeat before playing the game. You think so much that you exhaust yourself without moving a step forward. Want to swim? Don't read 50 books about swimming. Jump in. Want to speak English? Don't just watch videos or start speaking. Want to build a business? Don't plan forever. Take action now. Momentum is everything. Think briefly, then act endlessly. Be the person who does what others don't. Wake up early when others sleep. Work when others party. Speak when others are scared. Believe when others doubt. Inspire without words. Not everyone will understand or support you. That's okay. You support yourself. You believe in yourself. Your success will speak for you. Your biggest battle is always you. The lazy you versus the ambitious you. The scared you versus the brave you. Every day you feed one wolf, either distraction, fear, and laziness, or focus, courage, and ambition. The wolf you feed grows stronger. Kill your weak habits. Celebrate every win against the weak version of yourself. This is war, and the battlefield is your own life. Willpower is like a muscle. You don't feel like doing things? That's normal. Discipline means doing what's right even when you don't feel like it. The world rewards action, not feelings. People who succeed are not always motivated. They are disciplined. They show up even when tired, heartbroken, broke, scared, defeated. You can train your willpower too. Start small, and gradually you will control your habits instead of being controlled by them. Comparison is poison. Stop comparing your behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your journey. Track your growth against yourself, not others. Learn from others, but never hate yourself for being human, learning, and evolving. You were born to outgrow yesterday, not to imitate someone else's today. Take advice from those who have done it. Not everyone giving tips is qualified. Your path is yours. Choose guidance from experience, not opinion. Protect your vision. One wrong influence can cost you years of your life. Pick yourself. Stop waiting for permission, validation, or luck. Start your YouTube channel, your book, your business. Approve yourself every day. The world will follow those who act, not those who wait. No risk, no story. Life rewards courage, not comfort. Every champion, billionaire, or inspiration took risks. Without risk, life is safe but empty. Speak up, start your venture, post your work, dare greatly. You might fail, but failure without risk is nothing. Risk is what makes your story worth telling. Time doesn't wait. Every second you delay, your dreams fade. Don't wait for readiness. Don't wait for clarity. Start today. Start now. One small step now can change years of your life. If you dislike your life, create a new version. You are not a tree. You can move, evolve, rebuild, change habits, environment, mindset, friends, and focus. You are the artist. Life is your canvas. Paint your new version bold, powerful, and unforgettable. Expectations will kill you. Live for yourself, not for the approval of others. Sometimes you must be disappointed. Walk alone and say no. Break the chains. Live for your dream. Your pain is your power. Every heartbreak, betrayal, rejection, and failure can be fuel. Don't hide it. Use it to sharpen your strength, motivation, and discipline. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Let your suffering refine you, not silence you. Starve distractions. Feed focus. Every wasted hour on gossip, social media, or overthinking feeds laziness, doubt, and fear. Every hour spent learning, building, and growing feeds your future self. Build this discipline daily. Your younger self will thank you. Life doesn't owe you anything. Fight for everything. Stop expecting validation, rewards, or luck. Hunger and fire must come from within. Work harder, suffer more, show up when others quit. Success is earned with obsession, sweat, and relentless focus. If you're struggling, money, health, relationships, mind, remember, you are not finished. Your story is still being written. Walk through your tunnel. Every step brings you closer to the light. Your worst days are beginnings, not endings. Find a dream that ignites you. Protect it, chase it, and build it daily. Learn, grow, and work obsessively. Focus on what's right inside you. You are capable of far more than you imagine. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are warming up. You are a storm waiting to rise. And when you rise, the world will notice. They will ask, "Where did this person come from?" And you will say, "I came from the fire, the pain, the ashes. I rose, I built, I became unstoppable." So pick up your heart, fix your posture, wipe your tears, take that first step, start walking again. Your greatness is waiting, your dreams are waiting, and your life, the life you were born to live, is waiting for you to claim it. Thank you for listening. Take action today, not tomorrow. Stay strong, stay focused, stay unstoppable.